Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today's Canva video request is Canva AI Slide Creator. So let's learn how to do just that. Alright, it's very important that you choose to use a presentation format when doing this, otherwise it won't work. So here on the home page, we're going to click on Create a Design. We're going to type in presentation. And of course, choose presentation. In this case, we're going to choose 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080 pixels. This will directly take us to the editor. We won't be needing to look at some templates first, as we're going to use the Magic Design tool, which will help us create our slides automatically. We'll worry about the designing part later. So here on the side panel, under the design category, you'll be able to see the Magic Design tool, this one. So let's click on it. This pop-up will appear, so write a description about your presentation topic. Let's try that. Okay, let's try this one, and let's hit enter. It's going to take a bit of time, and here we are. Here are the results. Try to view all of them one by one to see which one you like. Let's take a look at this one. It's nice, but yeah, no worries about the design. We can deal with the design. What's important here is that we have a layout. We also have content. So this is a really good tool to use. If you don't know where to start, it'll definitely help you kickstart things. You can choose to use one of these templates, and you can also edit the content here that Canva has created for you. I think this is created by an AI, so make sure to double check the information here, since not all information coming from AI is accurate. But in case you're not really happy with the results that Canva's Magic Design tool has given you, then you can click on Start Again. And then you can input your keywords here or your prompt here in a different way. You can be more specific if you want to. Perhaps this is the one that I'm going to choose. It's simple and it'll be a lot easier to edit. So we're going to click on Create My Presentation. You can select anything you like. And if you like this specific template, then click on Create My Presentation. And it'll be added here, as you can see. All right. So now we're going to be designing our presentation right over here. To make it easier, I'd like to go to the design category. I'd like to add perhaps another page. I'm just going to duplicate page number 1 and then delete this. And then I'm going to type in here corporate style. And let's select a template that we can use. Let's try this one out. Yeah, I think this looks nice. Perhaps we can use this one. I'm going to copy the background, so Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V it over here. I'm going to delete this element and copy this one and paste it here. I'm also going to change the color of this, something that would suit YouTube more, so. Yeah, what about that? That should be okay. And I'm going to zoom it in, and I'd like to position it properly. Okay, that should be fine. And I'd like to copy this text style, so I'm going to click on this text and click this button here, copy style, and paste it. Oh, unfortunately, We have to send this one back first so that we can access this. And let's try that again. Copy style and paste. I'd like to delete this one and then duplicate this, paste it here, and make this one bigger. Okay, maybe it's too big. Let's adjust it. All right, now I'd like to add animated effects to them. So I'm gonna click on my text, go to animate, and apply an animated effect that I want to use. Okay. All right, we're done with our first page. I'm going to delete this one now. And I'm going to go to the second page. I think I should make this a bit smaller. Okay. Now I'd like to duplicate this one again and delete this from page 1. And I'm going to delete everything here on the duplicate page. And I'm going to choose something here. So something that's similar would be this perhaps. Or should it be this? Yeah, I think so. This one would probably do. So I'm going to copy our background again, paste it here. I'm going to ungroup these elements first so that we can individually deal with them. Copy style, paste it here, but make it smaller. And then I like this layout over here, so I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to copy these elements and paste them here. But I'd like to remove these unnecessary ones. Perhaps we could move these over here. And then we can adjust this one perhaps. All right. I'm going to copy style this one and paste it here. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try it again. Copy style, paste it here. All right. And I'm going to change the color of my circles as well. Okay, that should be good enough. And now we're going to insert a picture here. So I'm just going to go to frames first and then see all. I'm going to try to choose a frame here that we can use, perhaps this one. Now I'd like to change its color to make it similar to the color behind it. And now I'm going to look for example pictures of niche. Perhaps this one would do. So let's insert it. I don't think it looks good. Let's find another one. Maybe I'm just going to remove this background here and do it like that. I think this is a lot better. It's a lot cleaner as well. All right, so we're going to animate our fonts and elements now. We're going to animate our texts and elements now, so animate. I like to use merge or maybe block for the title and merge for the paragraph. Okay, and for this one, baseline would be okay, I think. Okay, our pan. All right, and basically you just do the same thing over and over and over again until you complete your presentation. Make sure to edit the content and double check for inaccuracies. And once you're done, you can present it. You can click on present here. You have 4 options. So enter full screen mode. This is what full screen mode looks like. Yeah, it's just basically entering into full screen. And next, you have the presenter view. So if you use this option, you'll have a separate screen for your audience. So this is what your audience will be able to see. And this is going to be your workspace. This is where you're going to do all your navigations so that you'll be able to navigate behind the scenes. Next, you have present and record. It's similar to the presenter view, but the only difference is that you'll be able to record your presentation. First, make sure to allow Canva to access your microphone and camera so that you'll be able to use it. Once you're ready to record, click on Start Recording. And once you want to stop, you can just press End Recording. It's going to take a while for you to upload your recording, especially when you have a very long one. It's going to take several minutes. And then after recording, you'll have these options so you can copy the link and send it to anyone you'd like to send the link to, or to anyone you want to show this to. And then you have save and exit, or you have download. And if you don't like it, you can discard it. Click OK. And then we're going to go back to editing. The last option we have is autoplay. So autoplay will play depending on the duration or the number of seconds you've set your specific slide to be. So to edit your slide's duration, click on that certain slide and go to this button here with the clock icon. Click on it and set how long you'd like your video to be. For example, 4. And then page 2 would also be 4. Okay, let's give it a try. Present, autoplay, present. And just like that, it'll automatically play based on the number of seconds you've input here. But if you want to download your presentation, no worries. You can download it as PowerPoint file. So we're going to click on Share. We're going to click on More. And then here on the search bar, type in PowerPoint. And select this one. Choose the number of pages you'd like to be included. And then click on Download. And that's it. That's how you use Canva's AI Slide Creator. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video.